Hi Elisa, this is Norberto. I prepared a short video just to give you an idea of a market evaluation for the property on Pheasant Lake. And one of the benefits that you will have working with me is that I will help you to determine the right price to make an offer. And the way that we work it is through what we call a comparative market analysis. This market analysis contains three key benefits or three key parts of information that will help you to arrive to the right price. The number one when we're going to fill up this information in a minute, but we're going to go over the similar homes that recently sold in that area. They will tell us what people are willing to pay for this kind of home in this area this time. The second key element will be the similar homes that are for sale now. Actually, those are the properties that buyers like you will be looking and will be comparing the property that you like to the other properties, and it will arrive to a price. And the third key element here are called the expired listings or price reductions within the last 20 days. This illustrates the problem of overpricing and also tell us what people are not willing to pay for a home in this area. And I hope this information will be helpful and help you to determine the right value. Now, what we are looking here is the same information that I gave you on a piece of paper. It states that this property is about 2,639 square feet. It was built in 1996 and is 6,212 square feet on the lot size. Property is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a 2-car garage attached. And the property has been on the market for 40 days. What I also found about this property is the fact that this is the name of the sellers, but most importantly, the property is tax value at $196,831. That's basically paying for a total amount of $6,214 a year in property taxes. Now, another important fact that I found is these people pay $250,000. Sorry, they paid $200,000 in August 2014 for this home with a mortgage of $99,000. Okay, this is the mortgage amount recorded. This is a view of the comparative market analysis that I prepared for you for this house. Basically, we'll be emailing you this information so you can have a copy of it together with the email. But basically, it will give us an idea of the property, the property that you're looking to buy, and the rest of the properties in the location where they are for sale, sold, or expire on the market. So if we look at this information, we're going to find that there are 3 or 4 properties that sold recently. This is the day these properties were sold. These properties are very similar in the number of bedrooms, the number of bathrooms, year built, and also the square footage of the home, as well as the size of the lots. And the highest sale was $244,000, together with 2 sales for $235,000 in May, and an offer in a house for $234,000 that sold in June. There were 2 properties, actually 1 property that they canceled, $245,000. Apparently they couldn't sell the house. And there's 3 other properties, actually, they also expire on the market. We don't know the conditions of the properties. Okay. Now, the 2 properties that you saw, one saw yesterday for $223,000, and the other house that the house in question here, the subject house, for $250,000. Okay. So when you browse through the link that I'm going to send you, the PDF file, you will find information on all these homes. So again, let's concentrate on what the house is sold for. And the first house is this house in Dove Oaks, $244,000, sold in 39 days. Pebble Bank Lane sold for $235,000. So you can see these houses are very similar, number of bedrooms and bathrooms. And another house for $235,000. This sold in May, right, 11 days on the market. Okay, So there's another property here, Rich Bank, sold for $234,000, 2 days on the market. Okay, so if you have any questions about this pricing, but again, prices in that area, they fluctuate in between $235,000 to $245,000 for properties similar to the house that you like. Thank you for your time.